Jainism, also known as Jain Dharma, is an Indian religion based on three fundamental principles: non-violence, Ahimsa, non-possessiveness, Aparigraha, and the rejection of all simplistic and one-sided views of truth and reality, Anekantavada. Jainism describes its spiritual beliefs and history through the sequential guidance of 24 Tirthankaras, who were the supreme preachers of Dharma. The first Tirthankara of this cycle is Rishabha Deva, who, according to traditions, lived millions of years ago. The 23rd Tirthankara is Parshvanatha, traditionally dated to the 9th century BCE, and the 24th Tirthankara is Mahavira, who lived around the 6th or 5th century BCE. Jainism is considered an eternal dharma, where Tirthankaras guide souls in every time cycle. A key concept in understanding Jain philosophy is Bhed Vigyan, the clear distinction between the soul and non-spiritual elements. Jain monks take 5 major vows: Ahimsa, non-violence; Satya, truth; Asteya, non-stealing; Brahmacharya, celibacy; and Aparigraha, non-possessiveness. These principles have deeply influenced Jain culture. For instance, most followers adopt a vegetarian lifestyle, largely based on dairy products. Parasparopagraho Jivanam, the function of souls is to help one another, is the motto of this religion. Jainism remains one of the world's oldest living religions to this day. If you want to see more videos like this, let us know in the comments. Subscribe today and press the bell icon.